911, what is the address of the emergency? In Monaco, someone's attacking my neighbor. His workers, 2 men in yellow vests. One's wearing an orange hard hat. They just attacked him. Okay, are there any weapons involved? I think so. I saw it was what appeared to be a gun.
He's got a gun! He's got a gun! Stop! Stop! Let it go! Stop! Stop! Shout your hands! Shout your hands!
Get flat on the ground! Cent. If you get in that car, I'm shooting you. I will shoot you if you get in that car. Get out of the car!
Shots fired, hold the air. Cars continue to turn around.
Get out of the car!
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Don't move! Do not move!
Bust the window.
Yeah. We need an ambulance up here. This party should stop.
You all right? Pull him out. I shot him. Get him up. Handcuff him up. Pat him down.
11. I gotta move my car.
No, you don't.
Fine. Got him. Cuff him up.
Do you have anybody outstanding?
Huh?
Just the one that